Good morning everyone. This is Doms again from Tackle Monsters, and I just received a package from Kenny's Tackle Shop. Again, thank you Kenny Ong for this rod, and I'm going to open it today. So I'm so excited kung anong nasa loob nito. Titingnan natin kung anong stuff to. Alright? So this is for field tester and it's already available at Kenny's Tackle Shop. Open na tayo, ha? Alright. Be extra careful tayo. Baka masirang rod. Okay. Wow. Parang yun. Oh, see? Look at the packaging. This is from Eupro International. The Eupro Travel rod. Yes. Ooh. See that? It's a 4-piece baitcasting rod. Easy to handle, guys. Look, tingnan mo yung packaging niya, yung rod tube niya. Oh, see, may handle pa. Napakaganda. See? Alright, open na tayo. Open. Napaka-cute ng lalagyan, no? Wow! So guys, may rod tube pa. And then, di mawawala yung rod sleeves. So, tingnan natin to. Ooh! Ito yung bat handle, oh. See? Wow. Ito yung trigger. Nice. It's a light action rod. Okay, assemble na tayo. Ooh. Two. Three. Ito yung red tip. Okay. First. Wow. Napakagandang rod, bros. Yeah! Look at that! Beautiful rod! Alright guys, itest ko ito mamaya. Again, this is already available at Kenny's Tackle Shop. PM lang kayo for inquiries. And very accommodating sila. Lahat ng inquiries nyo, solve lahat yon. Okay? So, see you later. Test na kagad to.